Hello bears! This is a video. We're gonna review every single weird car for. Oh, damn! That's a weird car.
Starting with what's the car semi?
This is probably a semi I would buy for like $10 off of Temu. This is how. I would probably actually buy this again. I would buy.
I would actually do.
Okay. Next vehicle is.
It's pretty fast.
Well, let me get the next vehicle. Battle tractor.
Leather.
This is the farmer's weapon. Let's test it out on the house.
It can shoot.
Wow. This is what the farmers use.
For my turn.
It was fireworks.
Well, what's wrong with this one guy?
Well, maybe if it exploded.
Oh.
It explodes. That's why it's called C4 van. Next is currency gone. Oh dang! Did you see that? Really? Yo. Yo. Clean trip. Yo, that's your car behind. This is what I should buy you. Is the car alright? Alright, next is Gelato Tank. This is my car. This is my car gelato. Ah! It's burning! It's burning! That's a fire hazard.
So God decided to set it on fire.
Okay, next.
High-speed trucks Terminator. It just now realized.
Okay, drive. What's it called?
High-speed trucks Terminator.
I don't know if it's very high speed.
Or maybe who knows?
Okay, I think this is a. Oh. Wow. Okay. Next.
So high speed.
Next. Melted van.
Oh.
What do you mean melted? It's not even that melted. It drips. Yo.
Monster bus.
Whoa. Hey, sir, can I get on the bus?
Yeah.
Can you open the door? Let me
Try.
Yeah.
Okay, the door. Why
Drive.
are the wheels in the high-speed truck?
Wait, I fell off. Okay, next is rave car.
No, no, no.
What's so wrong with it?
No,
That
yeah.
one. Oh, it's almost broken. It's dying over here. But you need to get through one of them. Right now. You can. Only per person. It's very destructible. I like trains. Why are the two small wheels at the front?
You know those you put on bicycles when you're a beginner?
Yeah?
It's like those, it's like
Oh yeah, yeah.
you see it?
Okay. This is actually pretty cool.
Don't see them
Next.
in first person though.
Next is underwagon. I don't know what they're talking about. Underwagon? I don't see anything about underwagon. It's completely normal. I don't even see anything wrong.
Basic house as a car. But there's 3 models of this, so let's skip the other basic house as cars, okay?
Can I just spawn them all in?
Okay. Oh, it shapes.
So are these basically just like Minecraft houses?
Yep. But they're on wheels.
Well, drop it! And
Okay.
that one was faster. Oh, I'm stuck. And now you killed me. What's the spawn in the next? Wait, it's my turn now.
Yeah.
Bigger wells. Bigger wells. Really good spelling. Oh. What? Yeah, that's a really nice car.
I wonder why that's on the weird vehicles list.
Okay, next. Currency glitch. I don't know if it's a glitch. This is not a glitch. Yo, this thing trips. What is that?
Crazy glow.
Oh, things that glows. Currency long. I don't know what they mean by long. This isn't that. How's this long? How's this long?
Gift for white hair guy.
Okay, next.
Let's just
Currency stretch. Oh, I think it said they'll stretched out. I think so too.
Yeah.
I think it's an open stretch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at when I break. Crazy stretch, right?
Yeah.
And tall.
How do you even get up? I need to make a bridge.
You genuinely can't get up. You actually take the button.
Okay, that's boring. Okay, next.
You couldn't even show.
Currency turn. Currency turn. Where's the turn? I don't see any progress. This is just your car and BeamNG after crashing 10 minutes.
Anything wrong with this either, right?
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the cars. These are all completely normal cars. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck.
My car is stuck.
Okay, do the next.
You just did Crown Z turn, right?
Yeah.
Crown Z unstable.
That's not that unstable. I don't know what they're talking about unstable. That's so stable. Oh, wow.
Oh, this thing is less stable than the pigeon.
Yeah. Okay. Next is currency wide. Wide? Man, it's completely normal. I don't know what they're talking about wide, man. Oh, that's what they mean wide.
Excuse me, my car is taking off.
Jump on the tractor. I don't think it's working. You can't sit in it. Oh, wait, yes, you should sit. What? Okay, next.
What is going on?
Dual crane? Dual crane. This is actually good. This somebody has probably used before. And that makes sense. Yeah, that's a little bit blowing. Let's see if when it's nighttime. It's glowing a lot. Same for that one. Wow.
It won't let me out. Okay, never mind. I'm out.
Next. Long forklift? It's not that long.
Longer excavator? What do you mean? It's not that long.
Yeah, it's not that long. It's not even that long. It's not. Okay, next. Military 8x8. This is kind of boring. You got like the worst line ever.
Lob top. Wait. Load. Top. I think that
Let me out. Wow, this is so good.
I wonder why some people wonder if it's a convertible.
Next is semi.
How are you supposed to get up there?
And you thought that other one was impossible?
This one is actually impossible.
Well, no, it's not. If only I could fly, you know, like. Let me drink a blue tide. See, that's pretty steep. Huh, yes! Oh. It's a little unstable.
Oh, the Kobe.
I'm under the map. I went under the map.
If you're wondering, this one is called Ultra Kobe.
Next is
I'm flipping.
tank but long. Tank but it's not that long. I don't know what they're talking about long.
Now it is unfinished.
Unfinished?
I get what they mean. What the hell am I
Oh,
supposed
there's a tiny wheel.
It's a working car.
That's such a good car. Okay,
Wait.
next.
One of the wheels are in the ground. We haven't tested it.
Thin but long. It's not that long.
Thin but longer. Yes.
It's not that even that long. Wide semi. It's just a normal semi, man. I don't know what they mean wide. It's not even that wide. I don't even know what they're talking about wide. This isn't that wide.
Oh, they'll make a U-turn now, honestly. So now, hey, we finished all of them.
What?
We finished all of them.
How's that all fun? Oh! Jesus. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. If you guys liked it, subscribe. And if you don't like it, why? Why don't you like it? Why? And anyways, look, hold on, just stay still. Bye.